Hello YouTube, welcome to the Caterpillar channel. Today we're doing a review on the Milwaukee 25-foot tape measure. You can see here. Wide base for increased stability. Wide form belt clip, reduced pocket tearing. Optimized hook, designed for scoring. You got this new little thing you rip off this, stick it back here, and then you get your pokey bit behind this, and it pops off like that. And you just get it out from there. Nice heavy duty belt clip, rubber, lock, it's black, stuff is rubber overcoat. See what it looks like. Got a really good bit there. There's your drop test there. So it's a really good tape measure from what I've seen. I've seen quite a bit of people who want to clear some stuff off here. I'll show you on this piece of wood. Here's on the workbench I'm at. Holds really good. You can see it's like 3 foot out. I tested it and I got like 9.5 feet. So there's the Milwaukee tape measure. The reason why I got this was I needed one, plus I need one for school, so I thought I should do a review on it. And I got it at the Home Depot, and right now it's on sale. Regular it's like 25 or 30 bucks or something like that, but right now it's $15. So I went ahead and picked one up. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please check out my other videos, and stay tuned for more to come. I'm getting the Bosch grinder done, so it should be a video up on it maybe Thursday to maybe Friday or next week, so look out for that. So thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos to come, and till I see you guys next time, peace on the street, son.